All right, we're here with Jeff, getting ready to jump up 855 feet up the Stratosphere bit. How you feeling, Jeff?
Feeling good.
Nervous at all?
Oh no, excited.
No? Just ready to go for it?
Oh yeah.
All right, do you have any last words to say to the camera, friends or family?
No.
Just ready to go
I'll
for
see
it?
you at the
All right.
bottom.
You want to record and Jeffrey step outside for me and wait right there, okay?
Oh, okay.
Gotta transfer this to the outside.
Yeah. Gotta walk us all the way to the edge.
Come on over. Try and look inside for a picture. Alright. Turn back around. You can turn your wrist and show everyone the view. Just go like that. You can show everyone where you're at, what you're about to do. 2 hands here and face that way for me, please.
Oh, both hands here. Okay.
Main on. Back above. Train clear. Right hand goes there. And your left hand over here on this side.
Right hand.
Right there. And then left hand over here.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Feet on the edge, please. And wait for my countdown, okay?
Yeah.
How fast does it go? 45 miles per hour. Okay. Here's Jeffrey in 3, 2, 1, go!
Ah!
You have a camera?
Yeah.
Thanks for jumping Sky Las Vegas.